The map says the car should be just past this ridge. Wait, is that really it? You promised, son. It's a beauty, even under all this rust. The tires are completely gone, but the frame looks solid enough. Finally, let's see what we are dealing with inside. Still elegant after all these years. The misery. The ecstasy serial numbers match. This is the real deal you keep from me. Organization is key to a smooth restoration. Is incredible. Careful with that, it's a rare piece. Let's see what the underside looks like in misery. The ecstasy. I feel somebody. Come on, you old machine, just turn over. What you do to me? A little oil should loosen the pistons. Where are you hiding, donor car? We have a deal. Appreciate the help. Brand new, this will make the engine run smooth. Removing the imperfections for a fresh start. Measure twice, cut once, that's the rule. Perfect, you won't even know there was a hole here. Sending it down to perfection. Bodywork is an art. Well, look at that reflection, it's perfect. Careful now, don't scratch the paint. What is this hiding here? These letters tell a story, this is history. Look at this, a date and a destination. Measure twice, cut once, that's the rule. Come on, start up for me. The face is complete, looking sharp. Everything is in its rightful place. Restoring this car brought history back to life.